Bluetooth trackers for campers, enjoy nature without worries. Bluetooth trackers for campers, enjoy nature without worries. Introduction. Camping is an exhilarating activity that allows us to disconnect from the fast-paced world and reconnect with nature. Whether you're camping alone or with friends and family, it's crucial to prioritize safety and ensure a worry-free outdoor experience. One innovative solution aiding campers in this endeavor is Bluetooth trackers. These compact devices have gained popularity due to their ability to enhance security, locate lost items, and provide peace of mind. In this article, we will delve into the benefits of Bluetooth trackers for campers, exploring their features, uses, and the best options available on the market. Enhancing safety. Safety is paramount when embarking on camping adventures. Bluetooth trackers offer invaluable safety features that can be life-saving in emergency situations. Many trackers are equipped with panic buttons or SOS alerts that allow campers to quickly send distress signals to their designated contacts. This feature is particularly useful in case of accidents, medical emergencies, or when encountering dangerous wildlife. Bluetooth trackers can also be integrated with smartphone apps, enabling real-time location sharing, so loved ones can keep tabs on your whereabouts at all times. Locating lost items. Losing valuable belongings can put a damper on any camping trip. However, Bluetooth trackers eliminate the frustration and time wasted in searching for misplaced items. By attaching small, lightweight trackers to your gear, such as backpacks, tents, or even personal items like cameras and mobile devices, you can quickly locate lost items using your smartphone. The devices emit audible alerts, guiding you toward the misplaced gear. This feature proves especially helpful when camping in large groups, as it ensures that everyone's belongings stay together and nothing is accidentally left behind. Anti-theft protection. Campers are vulnerable to theft, especially when exploring unpopulated areas or camping in remote locations. Bluetooth trackers provide an added layer of security by deterring potential thieves and aiding in the recovery of stolen items. Once a tracker is paired with your smartphone, it will send an instant notification if any of your belongings move beyond a specified range. This prompt allows you to take immediate action and notify authorities or track down the stolen items using the tracker's built-in GPS technology. With Bluetooth trackers, you can enjoy your camping experience without constantly worrying about stolen gear. Connecting with fellow campers. Bluetooth trackers aren't limited to just securing your belongings, they also have social applications. Some trackers offer features that enable campers to connect with fellow outdoor enthusiasts. These devices can set up a network where campers within a certain range can communicate, share tips and experiences, or even organize impromptu activities. This feature fosters a sense of community and enhances the overall camping experience by encouraging interaction amongst outdoor enthusiasts. Choosing the best Bluetooth tracker. When selecting a Bluetooth tracker for camping, several factors should be considered to ensure you find the best fit for your needs. First, consider the size and weight of the tracker, as it should be portable and not add unnecessary bulk to your gear. Additionally, battery life is vital, as it determines how long the tracker will last without requiring frequent recharging. It's also essential to check the range of the tracker, ensuring it's suitable for the distances you plan to cover during your camping trips. Lastly, explore the additional features the tracker offers, such as water resistance, compatibility with your smartphone, and the availability of a mobile app for easy navigation and control. Top Bluetooth trackers for campers. 1. Tile Pro. The Tile Pro is one of the most well-known Bluetooth trackers on the market. It offers a range of up to 400 feet and has a replaceable battery with a lifespan of about a year. The device is also water-resistant, making it ideal for camping in various weather conditions. 2. Tracker Pixel. The Tracker Pixel is a compact and colorful tracker that fits easily onto your belongings. It has a range of up to 100 feet and includes LED lights for visual tracking. Additionally, it offers a crowdfinding feature that allows other tracker users to help you locate lost items. 3. Chipolo One. The Chipolo One is another popular Bluetooth tracker that boasts a range of up to 200 feet. It offers a water-resistant design, a loud ringtone, and a replaceable battery that lasts up to 2 years. The Chipolo One also has an integration with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. 4. NewTail Focus Bluetooth Tracker. The NewTail Focus Tracker is suitable for adventurous campers. It provides a range of up to 328 feet and has a long-lasting battery. The device is also equipped with geofencing capabilities, allowing you to set up virtual boundaries and receive alerts when your gear moves beyond the specified area. 5. Cube Tracker. The Cube Tracker is a versatile Bluetooth tracker that offers a range of up to 200 feet. It is perfect for campers who want a reliable device to keep track of their belongings. This tracker is equipped with a loud alarm that can be easily activated through a smartphone app, making it easy to locate your lost items even in noisy outdoor environments. 6. Esky Key Finder. The Esky Key Finder is a cost-effective Bluetooth tracker that provides a range of up to 100 feet. It comes with 6 color-coded receivers that can be attached to different items such as keys, cameras, and backpacks. This tracker is equipped with a remote control that can be used to activate a loud alarm, making it easier to find your lost items. 7. Vodafone Key Finder. The Vodafone Key Finder is a compact Bluetooth tracker that offers a range of up to 100 feet. It comes with 4 receivers that can be easily attached to your camping gear. This tracker also features a remote control that can activate a loud alarm and a flashing light, making it easier to locate your lost items even in low light conditions. 8. Gigo Luggage Tracker. The Gigo Luggage Tracker is a high-tech Bluetooth tracker that is perfect for campers who travel with valuable equipment.